forward to, and the greatest and exciting thing is that one day we will be with Jesus. Yan ang pinakamahalaga. One day we will be with Jesus. And this is what the first 8 verses talk about. To be present in this body is to be absent from the Lord. But to be absent in this body is to be present with the Lord. Imagine natin yun. Kaya gusto natin yung maging present tayo sa ating Panginoon. We may be wondering what it looked like, but we will be clothed into a new body. Ano kaya ang itsura ng new body natin? Sabi ko kanina, katawan natin ito nabubulok. Katawan natin ito nagkakasakit. Ang katawan natin, very prone siya sa iba't ibang uri ng sakit at karamdaman. But we will be clothed into a new body. We are going to be known today as we have known in that day. We are going to have fellowship to one another. We are going to have relationship. It is going to be an awesome time because we are no longer clothed in a tent that is perishing. Hindi na itong katawan na ito na nabubulok at nasisira at nawawala. We will be then in a body that will not perish. Hindi na mabubulok. We will be clothed in one day in a body that will not perish. We will be clothed in a body that is pure, that is perfect in every way. And right now, sa panahon na ito, the tent, the body that we are in house, is struggling against us. Siyempre, minsan masakit na yung